Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm really glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm just going to show you a quick prayer corner or meditation corner that I've just put in the bedroom. It's really simple, it's nice. You can use whatever inspiration that you find helpful when making your prayer slash meditation corner. So here I've got a cabinet where I usually keep all my books that are related to natural health and well-being as well as wellness. If you are interested to know what are my favorite books, please let me know. I'll be able to share a video on that as well. So I've just simply used whatever candles or Himalayan salts that I find helpful when it comes to meditation that really look nice as well as help to clear the air. I've also did a quick painting right here, and I've used some beads to help decorate the painting and just some little accessories here and there. Now, I am not a professional painter, so this does have some mistakes, and I am working on improving my art skills, and I'm using Skillshare to help me take and trial out some classes to do with that. So I will do more paintings hopefully and try to incorporate some stones and some carnelian and rose quartz in the paintings themselves. So we've got this little dangling flowers from IKEA, and I've also put in a canvas here, and I've just bought this from last year, the tree with the lights, and just used some Himalayan salt, a candle, and I find that just simple, plain and nice. I might take away some few candles just to make it more simplistic, but I just like it that way, to be honest, just simple and nice. Let me know what kinds of things you are wanting to incorporate into your prayer slash meditation corner. I find that really helpful when it comes to meditating and when it comes to just decorating and the space using positive items that bring joy. I will also be adding some stones to this corner and just changing them around. I do add some incense or some incense sticks every Friday, so if you want to check out the Friday ritual, please check out the video that I will put in the description box below. Take care and have a lovely day. Bye bye.